What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Please subscribe down below. So today's video, we're going to be installing new daytime running lights wires, because the other ones are burnt out. I believe they're daytime running lights, but let's check it out, which ones we are going to be replacing. So when I push the unlock button, only one lights up. Over here, this light stays on. This one doesn't. And that one is still on. You see? Off, on. So I'm replacing that one. What's good in here? So I'm gonna take off these first. Right here. Pull that bad boy out. And this one, place it like that. I didn't want to disconnect it, but I have to move it out of the way. Just to get to this bolt right here. There's these little latches right here. Right there and over here that you have to push to pull out. There's one. There's two. So the bulb is good. I replaced the bulbs. I plugged it in this way, didn't work, turned around, plugged it in the other way. So it's the wire, I'm guessing. So I'm gonna snip it, these two wires, and then connect one of these. Let's open this up. I'll link this down below. I got it off Amazon. Right here. I just gotta figure out what wire is what. And it came with the crimpers things too. Let's say on there, it doesn't have a plus or a negative on the pink that I don't see, and then the blue, it doesn't say. But I'm gonna look at the plug inside and see if it tells me compared to the old one. So this is the same way, so the blue is blue and the pink is black, I'm guessing. It's the exact setup. That's how I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna strip the wire to the other one, and then yeah, let's see if it's a plug and play. If not, I just messed up the whole thing. There's that. Now we're going to connect these. So blue to blue and pink to black. If that doesn't work, I suck. Alright, I pushed it in. Let's see. Okay, let's put this in right here and turn this so it can lock. Okay, it's on. I'm gonna get new lights pretty soon, but they're fine how they are. I can see at night. Okay. Let's back this up a little bit, or can you guys see? Yeah. So. Let's put these in. There's one. There's two. Oh yeah. Nice. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna wash the truck, probably do a video of that, but we'll see. Then I have the Cougar, just figuring out what to do. All the oil is spilling from the transmission. But yeah, that'll be the next video. And my brother's supposed to be coming today to figure out what to do with his Z. And peace out, guys.